Nail designs are a part of fashion and style. They can complement your outfit, create a theme, or set a trend. Staying updated on current nail design trends can be an enjoyable way to stay connected with fashion and keep your daily life interesting. Nail designs can impact your personal and professional life. They can be conversation starters and leave a lasting impression in personal relationships. In a professional context, they can convey attention to detail and professionalism depending on the design you choose. Glitter nail polishes are a party favorite for a reason. They add a touch of magic to your nails and make them stand out in the crowd. Whether you choose a fine glitter for a shimmer or chunky glitter for a more dramatic effect, these polishes are perfect for parties with a whimsical or fantasy theme. They work beautifully for holiday parties and night parties. Sometimes understated elegance is the way to go. Nude nail polishes came in the variety of shades to match different skin tones, creating a polished and sophisticated look. They are ideal for formal events like weddings, charity galas, and corporate gatherings. Nails also pair well with almost any outfit, making them a versatile choice. If you are attending a themed party, take your nail game to the next level with nail art. Choosing the right nail polish for a party, it allows you to express your personality and enhance your overall appearance. Whether you prefer the timeless allure of classic red, the dazzling effect of metallics and glitters, or the understated charm of nudes, there are a perfect nail polish for every party.